What's going on, people? My name is Donnie D and I am the host of the Fit Life Foodie. Today I'm making one of my favorite air fried desserts, air fried bread pudding with a twist. So this recipe calls for some really simple ingredients. We're gonna start off with the wet ingredients first. Real simple ingredients today again. 2 whole eggs into a bowl, vanilla extract. Today I'm using some vanilla flavored almond milk, but if you don't have almond milk, you can use whatever type of milk that you prefer. All right, now all of the wet ingredients are into a bowl. We're gonna take a whisk and beat those wet ingredients together. All right, now all of the wet ingredients are beaten to a smooth mixture. We're gonna start adding in the dry ingredients. So 2 tablespoons of sugar, cinnamon in next, ground nutmeg, and we're gonna beat this again to a mixture. What I love about this recipe is that it allows me to use some really simple ingredients, things that I already have in my refrigerator or pantry. So we're gonna prepare the bread to go into this wet mixture that I've already prepared earlier in this video. Take the bread, drop it into the wet mixture like so, and we're gonna get it nice and coated with the wet mixture so it can absorb all of that flavor. The twist is going to be peaches. So we're gonna add in some canned peaches. And we're gonna mix this up. All right, so the bread pudding mixture has been sitting for about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start getting the bread pudding mixture into the ramekins. All right, so we're gonna air fry these at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Real simple. All right, so grab your air fryer. We're gonna drop off 2 of these in each one of the air fry baskets. All right, so there's 2 in there. Slide it on in. We're gonna do 2 on the second tray. All right, 350 degrees. 15 minutes. All right, people, now this is what an air fried dessert is supposed to look like. Straight, complete deliciousness. Look at the golden brown texture of the bread, the caramelized peach. It just looks wonderful. But I did enough talking. I know y'all waiting for this. I know you want to taste this. I know you're gonna make this, but I'm about to go ahead and taste this. I'm about to go ahead and give me a little piece. I let it cool off for about 15 minutes, by the way. I gotta get a little peach with this bite. I'm gonna try to get a bite of everything. It smells amazing. It just smells like the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas. It just smells nice and warm and comforting. I gotta go ahead for another bite. That's real good. All right, people, so before you exit this video, I want to leave you with a couple of tips and give you some feedback on what I thought and just something that I think about when I make these recipes. This is a super simple recipe. Anybody can make it. You have an air fryer, pop it in there, super simple ingredients, but I intentionally made this recipe to be a smaller portion size because I'm one of those people that if the food is in my house, it's in my refrigerator, it's in my pantry, I'm gonna eat it. So that being said, I appreciate you guys watching. Hit the thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And again, my name is Donnie D, the Fit Life Foodie. Until next time, I'll check you guys later. Peace.